Hello everyone, I'm Grace.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Today we are glad to be here with you. First, please let me to introduce our company to you in brief. Y&R International is located in Wukong City, Anhui Province. It is near Nanjing City. The founder of Y&R International have worked in the manufacturing unit since 1990s. And then he set up Y&R International to offering OEM service for the products in laundry clean, home clean, and healthcare products. Now we have developed our products to almost 200 different kinds of. We have a professional designer team and independent life to serve better our customers. Our company is ISO 9001 certificate. We have exported to almost 50 different countries in the world, including South and North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and so on. We are expecting you will be our next customer. In these years, we also developed our own brand, Mr.Strong. Here is our register license. We have registered this brand in several countries like USA, Australia, Europe, Singapore, New Zealand, and so on. And we have planned to expand this brand to more countries. So it is okay if you don't develop your own brand yet. You can use our brand. Next, the following video may help you to understand more and better about our company. Thanks for watching. I hope this video may help you to learn more about our company. Sarah, do you do household work at home?
Yes, every day.
So what do you think is the most annoying one to you?
Dishwashing, definitely.
Me too. Dishwashing will spend much more time and energy in the household work. So I think many people have the same feeling with me and Sarah. That is why now more and more families buy dishwasher machines. According to the research data, almost 40% family have a dishwasher machine at their home, and in some developed countries, this figure can reach above 70%. Even in Asia, now the demand for the dishwasher machines is keep increasing. There is still big market for dishwashing machines, and when you have the dishwashing machine, you also need a good detergent to use with it. So this is what we want to introduce to you, dishwasher tablet. Now today the main type dishwasher tablet we want to introduce is this 3 layers tablet. It has 3 layers, blue layer, white layer, and yellow layer.
So do they have different functions for each layer?
Yes, they have different functions. The first blue layer is mainly to clean. The middle white layer is to soft the water, and the third layer, yellow layer, is to brighten.
The tablet is painted by transparent film. Can you introduce it?
Yes, it is packed individually by this transparent film. We call it water-soluble film, which the raw material is imported from Japan. With this packing, it can save more plastic individual bags, so it is more friendly to the environment. And when you using the tablet, you don't need to tear off the bag first, and your skin will not contact with the tablet directly. So it makes it more healthy and convenient. And we have many customers' concerns about the formula. As we know, phosphate is often used in the detergent to soften the water. The phosphate is not harmful to the environment when it is in the product, but after using it, the solution will discard to the seas, rivers. This will cause the phosphate content in the sea or rivers increased. That will cause a series of damages. So our formula is phosphate-free. It will be better to the water environment.
Please introduce the tablet functions.
Yes, this tablet is all-in-one tablet. It has different functions as the following video shows. As we see, it is 9-in-1 tablet. It has different functions as stain remove, grease cutter, glass protection, oxygen technology with enzyme and other related functions. And it is easy to use. First, remove the food scraps of your dishes. And second, put the tablet in the detergent dispenser. If your dishwasher machine is a small type without the detergent dispenser, it is okay. Just put the tablet together with your dishes. The third, select the program and run the machine. Now the following video will show you the cleaning performance of our tablet. Welcome back. As we see, we tested the different stains like oil, tomato juice, chocolate, apple juice, wines, and coffee. The tablet can clean the different stains effectively, so it will take care of your dishes. Now let's check about the production lines. Our dishwasher tablets have exported to different countries such as Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, Korea, Singapore, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and other countries. We are expecting introduce this product to your market also. Our factory has met an audit and a BRC. The products will be inspected by our QC before they are loaded in the container. We will issue the certificate of analysis to our customers before each shipment. We can also offer material safety data sheet to for the shipping purpose. We have different kinds of packings for this product. So Sarah, please introduce the current packing we have.
Okay, now we have three main kinds of packing. This is color box, and this is plastic bag. It's plastic container.
Thank you. The loading quantity can be as your requirement. For example, if you choose this box packing, you can decide how many pieces loaded in this box, such as 24 pieces, 30 pieces, or 60 pieces. It can be as your requirement. And if you have other packing ideas, you can just let us know.
Great. I think some customers may want to know what kind of dishwasher can use this tablet.
Our dishwasher tablet can be used for almost all types of dishwasher machines. We are glad to send you the sample to check the quality. And besides these three layers tablet, we also have other options for you. This one is two layers with a square in center, packed by individual film. This one is two layers packed by the individual film. And if you want to have the tablet with one layer, we can also offer it. And for the individual packing, besides this water-soluble film, we can also offer you this plastic bag packed individually. This will save more cost and make the price more competitive. Okay, so much for the dishwasher tablet. If you have any more questions, you can just send us a message or emails. We will always be here for you. Next, we want to share you about three other kinds of products in home clean. Sarah, do you like coffee?
Yes, sure.
So do you make coffee yourself at home?
Seldom, but I have a plan to get a coffee machine.
That's a good plan. We know many families have the coffee machine at home. For coffee machine, after using for a while, there will be limescale or stains left in the machine. If you do not clean it on time, this will shorten your machine's lifetime, and sometimes it will cause unpleasant odors. So I want to introduce you this dishwasher tablet, this coffee machine cleaner tablet. This tablet is with 2 grams per piece for controlled dosing use. The formula is non-toxic, no phosphate and optical brighteners. This tablet can be used for almost all kinds of coffee machine. The direction is easy. First, fill the reservoir with the water to the max level, then drop one tablet into the reservoir. Please check the following video for reference. It will, after drop the tablet, it will take some time for it to dissolve. After dissolving, please run the clean circle or the blue circle. When you finish cleaning, just fill the reservoir with the water again and run the cleaning circle again to rinse your machine. And there is another way to use it. Put one tablet in the hot water, and after it dissolved, you can immerse your coffee machine's filter, trays, or other related accessories to the solution. After cleaning, rinse your coffee machines in the flushing water for 2 to 3 times. Sarah, please show our audience about the kind of packing we have.
Okay. We have packing of 25 pieces, 15 pieces, and 100 pieces per bottle. Of course, it can be as your requirements.
Thank you. Next, I want to introduce the Limescale remover powder to you. As we know, Limescale will exist in your kettles, dishwashing machines, washing machines, and other home appliances. You need to clean them frequently. So our limescale remover powder can help you on this. We have SGS tested for this product, and we have two main packing ways for you to choose. This is 200 grams per bottle, and we can also pack it in the sachet packing. This is 50 grams per sachet. You can put several sachets in a color box. Sarah, please tell our audience about the contents of this product.
Okay. The product is in white granule. It's very easy to use for kettle or other appliances have Limescale. You can dissolve the product in water. Mm, Use the solution to clean. For dishwasher or washing machine, just put the product in the dispenser to run the empty wash. It is better to remove the Limescale once a month.
Thanks. Now, the following video may help you to learn more about this product. Let's check. Okay, the last product we want to introduce is the oven and cookware cleaning paste. This product is packed in a 500 grams bottle. The oven and cookware cleaning paste can be widely used at your home. It can clean your ovens, cookware, enamels, pans, stovetops, and so on. It can remove different kinds of stains and dirty, make your metal clean as new. It will form a protective layer after using and prevent metal reoxidant. We use the advanced perfume in the formula to make the scent last longer. And the main material is superfine silicones. We don't use the exit formula. Sarah, please show our audience how to use it.
Using a wet rag or sponge to gently wipe the surface of kitchen utensils and then wipe with a clean rag.
Believe me, After you try this product, you will love it. The following video will introduce more about this product. Okay, so today we have introduced four kinds of products related to home clean to you. Uh, Dishwasher tablet, coffee machine cleaner tablet, limescale remover powder, and this oven and cookware cleaning paste. If you have any interest in these products, you can just let us know. Send us email. We will reply you as soon as possible. And there are more products in our scope. We offer an OEM service for products in laundry care, home clean, and healthcare. So if you have any other requirements related to this field, be free to contact us.
Grace, we have some questions that customers may interest. For dishwasher tablet, can I customize the color of tablet?
We recommend you to choose the color what we have, as we use food grade pigment in the formula. It cannot be that stable as the industrial pigment. So if you want to try a new color, it will take a long time to make the test of stability.
There is also question for dishwasher tablet. Can this tablet be used when hand washed?
No, this tablet is designed to use in the dishwasher machine. If you want to have products of the hand wash, we recommend use the dishwashing liquid or dishwashing paste, which we can also offer to you.
And for coffee machine cleaning tablet, can this tablet be used to manual coffee machine?
Yes, this tablet can be used for almost all kinds of coffee machines. If your coffee machine do not have the cleaning mode, it is okay. Just put one tablet in the hot water to dissolve. Use the solution to clean.
For coffee machine cleaning tablet, you introduce the packing of tablet in bottles. Can I require individual packing? Is it possible?
Yes, besides the tablet just put in the bottle at our main packing ways, we can also offer you like this one. It is individually packed by the plastic bag. Then you can put several pieces in a color box. Of course, this packing will involve more manual packing works, so the price will be a little higher.
And for limescale remover powder, is the material safe for oral contact?
Yes, we use food grade material in the formula, and it is easy to rinse.
And for oven and cookware cleaning paste, where corrosion of stainless steel.
This product doesn't contain the acid, so it will not cause the corrosion of the stainless steel.
How can I get the sample?
We can offer you the sample free of charge, while there will be the courier fee involved. This fee will be undertaken by the customer first. Of course, if you place the order in future, we can return this fee to you.
Can I have it with our own painting?
Yes, we offer OEM service for these products, and we have professional designer team to help you design the artwork if you need.
How about the delivery time?
Usually, it will take around 30 to 40 days after you place the order, but it is also up to how about the order quantity and the production lines. So you can confirm us your order quantity first, and we will check the exact delivery time for you.
Okay. Last question. For the order, can you do the shipping?
Yes, we can do the shipping as customers required, such as sea shipping, air shipping, courier shipping. We can make it as you wish. Okay, thank you for your time. These are all four products we want to introduce, and our company will have the live show in these 10 days. At the same time, we have 10 different hosts to introduce you different and more products. So we welcome you come back tomorrow same time. The next we want to show you more videos about our product introduction. First one, we can check the dishwasher tablet. Are you annoyed with those dirty dishes after the dinner? We're here to introduce Mr.Strong Dishwasher tablet to you. The tablets are composed of 3 layers. The blue layer is to clean, white layer is to soften water, and the yellow layer is to brighten. The tablet is individually packed by water-soluble film. It can be dissolved totally in water. No need more individual plastic bag, and your skin will not in direct contact with the tablet. The formula is phosphate-free, as we know phosphate will pollute the water and cause ecological deterioration. Our dishwasher tablet is all-in-one tablet. Provide total clean and care to your dishes. Direction for use. Remove food scraps firstly. Place the tablet in detergent drawer. Select the appropriate programmer and start the dishwasher. Look at the before and after comparison. We can offer different kinds of packing according to your requirement. We have related certifications and professional production lines. Our dishwasher tablets are exporting to all over the world. Contact us for more details and other related products. Okay, next let's see the coffee machine cleaner tablet introduction video.
Have you noticed when the coffee machine used for a long time, it will have a heavy Limescale on it? So, how could we do? Don't worry, let's turn this hard case to Mr. Strong. Here is the product what I want to recommend you. Mr. Strong Coffee Machine Display Tablet. When you put the tablet into the machine, it will quickly dissolve and break down a variety of chemical active substances to remove Limescale on the inside and the surface of the machine. Now, let's see Mr. Strong Coffee Machine Tablet. Excellent working achievement. From the comparison chart, we can see that after using our product, the cups with serious Limescale were removed by Mr. Strong tablet, and the cup looks completely new. So, how to use the tablet? Fill the reservoir with water. Drop one tablet into reservoir. Run one brew cycle or clean cycle into brew pot. Discard water from brew pot. Fill reservoir with fresh water. Run one brew cycle and then discard to rinse coffee maker. Now, let's see the feature of our tablet. All materials are food grade, non-toxic, environmental, no phosphate, eco-friendly, no optical brightener, safe to human. Quick dissolve in both cold water around 15 minutes and warm water 40 degrees centigrade around 10 minutes. Bigger and heavier but quicker dissolved. 2 times clean powder than normal benchmarks with special added anionic surfactant. Use aluminum sachet to keep oxygen agent and exposure from dispersion. Ensure product stronger, clean, and antibacterial. Prevent removed dirties. Deposit again while clean. And of course, our tablets are suitable for all brands and model coffee machine. We also have many different tablet sizes and packing for your choice. Then, why choose us? Because we have professional product knowledge, experienced market knowledge, advanced R&D ability, best manufacturing unit arrangement, on-spot supervision, best transportation recommendation, professional documentaries operation. If you are interested, welcome your inquiry.
Y&R. Live for better.
Next, let's review the denture cleaning tablet together.
What bothers you the most when using dentures? Plaques, odors, or denture's life shortened? Mr.Strong Denture Cleansing Tablet removes the toughest stains, kills 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria, helps reduce plaque buildup, and keeps your appliance minty fresh and clean. It dissolved within 3 minutes, kills 99.9% odor-causing bacteria, safe formula compliant with Europe and North America market, and flexible MOQ and variety packaging for OEM. 3 steps to use. Firstly, drop 1 tablet in water. Then soak dentures for hours or overnight. And at last, rinse the dentures by water. It can be used on different appliances like dentures, white and clear retainers, mouse and light guards, and removable grids. With outstanding features of denture tablet offers more gentle way to clean your dentures. We have related certificates which make our products sell all over the world. And automatic production lines keep the tablet clean and hygienic. Our denture tablets are selling to Europe, North America, and many other countries of the world. Besides the tablet, we also offer a full range of products for dentures.
Y&R. Live for better.
Thanks. Next, let's check the laundry pot together.
Do you have these problems when you use traditional laundry detergent products, such as overcapacity or take up too much storage space? We're here to introduce Mr.Strong Laundry Pots to you. It can easy to control the capacity of detergent and save the storage space, make your family and feeling great. Our Mr.Strong Laundry Pots have the following four main features. First, the neutral pH value is gentle and it will be more suitable for washing your baby clothes. Second, the highly concentrated formula is more helpful for water saving and environmental protection. Third, Mr.Strong Laundry Pots consist of up to 16% active ingredients with 6 times clean power and combined super concentrated detergent, odor fighters, stain removers, freshens, make your clothes look brighter. The last point is that it can keep a long-lasting clean fresh scent. Compared with other brands, what are our advantages? Look at this dissolution rate. In warm water, the dissolution rate only takes about 33 seconds, and in cold water, the dissolution rate takes about 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Usually, one pot can load bearing 19.8 kilometers, so please don't worry about bringing dough to external force. We can provide different types for you: all-in-one laundry pots, 2-in-1 laundry pots, and 3-in-1 laundry pots. And you can also choose different size, color, and package. Our company have been specialized in household cleaning products for many years and have a rich export experience. We have professional research and development team, advanced equipment, and we can also offer you high quality with competitive price. We have related certificates. We have a fully automatic production line with advanced water sealing technology. Our production capacity can reach 4 million pieces per day. And we can also provide you with OEM service. If you are interested in more details and related products, please contact us.
Y&R. Live for better.
Next, we will introduce you our toilet cleaning liquid.
Are you feel troubling when cleaning your toilet? Mr.Strong Gel Liquid can solve all questions for you. 5 functions. One-time using, all questions finished. When your toilets are dirty, bacteria everywhere, use Mr.Strong. Mr.Strong Gel Liquid use amazing fragrance, general formulation, no harmful with your hand and the toilet. Mr.Strong mouth tip use unique design. Liquid can cover all degree of the toilet, very easy to use. After pour out the liquid, wash it with a brush. Flush away. Mr.Strong will remove soil and dirt easily. Give you a brighter toilet again. Mr.Strong can kill 99.9% of germs, remove bad odors, make your life fresh. Comparing with traditional liquid, Mr.Strong using natural formula. Liquid can last a long time on the wall of the toilet. High foaming with strong power. Distinctive packaging gives you a new experience. Different kinds of scent can offer to make your life more beautiful. Besides the toilet gel liquid, Mr.Strong can offer you other products to make your life better. Cooperate with us. You can get the best service from us. Product OEM, quick shipping, quality control.
Y&R. Live for better.
Next, we will introduce you the instant stain remover pen.
Have you ever felt annoyed for such things on your beautiful clothes? Juice, sauce, wine, ketchup, blood, coffee, ink, and lipsticks. So what can we do with those?
Let me take care of this. Choose Mr.Strong Instant Remover Pen. Virus stains vanish at one time.
Here is a glance at product details.
Product features: high-quality pen-like design, built-in 1-in-2 tip without leakage, target stains and press to clean. Instant cleaning, fast removing fresh stains anytime and anywhere. Easy carrying, compact and portable. Each single package only weighs 18 grams, and you can put it in your bag or even wallet. Water-free, press it on stains without rinsing. Easy to use. Mild formula, pH value 6. Gentle for most fabric and does not contain bleach. How to use? Firstly, wipe out excess residue from stain. Secondly, press the tip onto the stain. Thirdly, rub tip gently across the stain to remove. One more time for tough stains. The pen can be used in various places like party, meeting, travel, and school. For more related products, we are offering pen sanitizer, hand sanitizer, paper soap, and so on. Why choose us? Professional product knowledge, experienced market knowledge, advanced R&D ability, best MFG units arrangement, on-spot supervision, best transportation recommendation, professional documentaries operation.
Y&R. Live for better.
we will see the soap flower.
What is the best gift in this period of COVID-19? Not only keep your family healthy, but also increase life fun and joy. Choose Mr.Strong soap flower to make customer unique gifts and keep healthy for your family. Product features: keep healthy, increase life fun and joy, and never fade. Quick dissolve in water and deep clean after wash. Kill germs. Look at the before and after comparison. Eco-friendly, our product is use cornstarch ingredient, but other product is use chemical ingredient. Combine cleaner and gift during lockdown to increase life fun and joy. Long shake time make never fade. How to use Mr.Strong soap flower. First, take out a piece of soap flower. Second, dissolve with water and gently rub out, foam out. Finally, rinse thoroughly with water, and moisturizing formula makes skin smooth and clean. Choose Mr.Strong soap flower to keep your family healthy and increase life fun and joy in 2020. Related products for prevent the germs from your hand. We have hand liquid soap, paper soap, and hand sanitizer.
Y&R. Live for better.
Okay, thank you for watching. These are all information we want to share with you today. We will have the live show in the following 9 days at the same time. We welcome you come back to our booth again. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.